Once again, my name Kobina Kosti. Call me a brand to put the perfect gentleman. Right, so certainly Tisha is going to join us today. I want to show nothing. Right, so today happens to be the last day, bro. Showbiz 933. I mean, in this year, Showbiz 933 at the end. At the end, I can't say I feel money at the end of the sea and there. That's right. Because next week Saturday we won't be here. Right, so once again we're about to have industry conversation. And you're starting soon when we say you're about 100% Ghanaian music. And it's all about the CAA initiative and Ahenkan of follows what they are saying. So I'm talking about the Play Ghana initiative this December or this festive season. And of course we're going to have a conversation on it.
trendybeats.com.
So I think it was yesterday, and I said Indra Chimo and press conference in the course. So the deputy secretary for the Creative Art Agency, Miss Jankroma Ekufu Ado. So she says, festive season where we should be playing more of Ghanaian music. And Samini was there, or I did a voice, Black Sherry, the same. I saw Rackstone, I saw Small Girl. I think I saw someone like DJ Mensa as well. Yeah. So the Play Ghana initiative, you know. And any shots here. But I think that this is the time I have proper press release on it. Proper press release on it. But in the meantime, let's listen to Sarkodie. So this jam has been my favorite since last week. Last week Saturday, and then I've been playing this song back to back. Yeah, so Sarkodie, and it causes all the time. Shall I bring the song back? Bring the song back. 93.3 of you're about to have industry conversation. This is the show. We talk about things happening in entertainment fraternity. But I say myself and my team, we are ever ready. Listen to Sarkodie, and it causes fun of time. Akwaba.
Man, I've been fighting this battle with demons inside of me. I just want to stay in my lane so nobody can bother me. If I'm too sensitive, it's me catching me ego. Thought I had niggas and someone told me I they go rap for me. All along, all of them be jealous. Fake souls always make me nervous. Out of here, if I'm on my peppers. Pull me down, still I'm breaking records. I'm on 1,000, but they wanna take me to 0. This nigga, only God is my hero.
Let your angels cover me every day, cover me every night. No telling who I lost. I'm on the top and I keep on winning.
Yeah.
Higher we go, highest we go.
I'm on a different time, only God can judge. Committee suicide, I was pushed to the urge. Anytime I smell my blessings, that be when the devil emerge. My spirit is broken, somebody come take me to church. Mama told me, boy, I'm proud of you. Don't you let nobody lie to you. Jehovah blessings go carry you. Anywhere you go, the power go follow you. When I was losing the battle, you told me to keep on. And then you gave me a shoulder to lean on.
Let your angels cover me every day, cover me every night. No telling who I lost. I'm on the top and I keep on winning. Higher we go, highest we go.
You counted me out, but I came even harder. You peer me FM, but I've been screaming louder. I made all this magic like abracadabra. You gonna fire me, but still I'm a power. Can't trust a person who sell out for dollar. Me value cost show like a vintage Impala. Will be on my down focus. I know a lot of
Showbiz 933, redefining show business.
Me, I just break all the ceilings. I see all you people like miserable Siemens. Wasting my time just to fight all these demons. Idols go tend to your rivals. Praying against pick up.
This is Showbiz 933.
Me money bomb me just for my survival. Man, I've been fighting this battle with demons inside of me. I just want to stay in my lane so nobody can bother me. If I'm too sensitive, it's meant to me ego.
This is Showbiz 938.
All of them be jealous. Fake souls always make me nervous. Out of here, if I'm on my peppers, put me down, still I'm breaking records.
I'm on 1,000, I wanna take you to 0.
This nigga only God is my hero.
Shall I bring the song back once again? So this is the reason why he's still the highest.
I just want to stay in my lane so nobody can bother me. If I'm too sensitive,
remember touching the ego. Hey, they go right for me all along.
All of them be jealous. Fake souls always make me nervous. Out of here, if I'm on my peppers, pull me down, still I'm breaking records.
I'm on 1,000, but they want to put me to 0. Hey, everybody, let's do this together. Angels cover me every day, cover me every time, no time. Not those songs. And I keep on reading. Higher we go, highest we go. They say different time. Kajaj. Coming to suicide, I was pushing the edge. Anytime I see my blessings, that be what the devil emerge. My spirit is broken, somebody can take me to church. Hey, don't you let nobody lie to you. Everywhere you go, the power go follow you. That's right, so shock on the Michael Owusu. That's right, beautiful music. Right, so it belongs with her Sarkodie. I mean, this is the real Sarkodie. When Sarkodie was coming up, this is the real Sarkodie. So actually, this song, my big boss, Kofi Hayford of Joy FM, also my feeling you. Over here, come me post on Facebook, and I even tagged him. Yeah, because every day you post at the other. What's going on with my boss? So last week Saturday, I was somewhere in Koforidua, and baby now. So okay, let me just listen to this song. So I just went on the internet, and I was streaming the song. I was like, wow, this is the Sarkodie we know. It's our own Sarkodie. This is real hip hop, Ghanaian hip hop. Right, so 20 minutes after 1, the Play Ghanaian Initiative song.
Man, I've been fighting this battle with demons inside of me.
Big shout and come on.
Stay in my lane so nobody can bother me.
Philippa.
If I'm too sensitive, it's meant to me ego.
I've been Philippa, what's up? Good to know you are in tune, and also a happy birthday and thank my Ifia Owusua.
All of them be jealous.
Ifia Owusua, it's your birthday. Happy birthday. And come on.
Put me down, still I'm breaking records. I'm on 1,000, but they wanna take me to 0. For this nigga, only God is my hero.
Actually, happy birthday once again and come out. Ifia Owusua Dokas. Ifia Owusua Dokas. And then your birthday. Whoa, Ufia the Fee Sports.
I just want to stay.
Right, so let's start off with our conversation. And we have about 3 interviews. And then 1 gospel artist back over in come on. And another secular artist all the way from Nkoko. And also we're going to speak to the organizers. The organizers of Achim, is it Achim? No, it's Odan Youth Festival, right? Yeah, Odan Youth Festival. So the organizers of Odan Youth Festival, and so we didn't come here on 93.3 of But today, our topic for discussion. The press release in the red sheet. And also the aftermath of Eastern Music Awards. How I wish Awaji is here today. Because there was this guy I'm friend Kofi Sogborogbo. Awaji the name Didika. I contact Radan for friends. I know. Eastern Music. So problem. But yani yes, Lord Caleb Bedi Hong Kong says he's part of the organizers. Last week by this time, Caleb was so busy. I was with him at the cultural center. I saw my guy going up and down, making sure show the best successful. Of course, it was a successful show. Just that show be home problems. Me, I was there. I was at the auditorium, and at a point I didn't feel the sound. Yeah, man, feel the sound in the air. And I also had issues with the red carpet host. The first guy did a massive job. Is it GH Pocky? He's a comedian. He did a massive job. That one there, Charlie. The guy did a massive job. But the other one, Ekwapim Puru. Oh my body. Of course, I had problem with her. And yes, I have issues with her. I don't have issues with Ekwapim Puru, but I had issues with how she was hosting the show. Yeah. The red carpet host. She came when the red carpet was over. That was when she came. She came when the red carpet was over. When the guy GH Pokino, I just showed that was when she came. And when she came, she started the thing again. Oh no, wabani, I feel no so by any day. And the point is not the problem. Her way of like how she carries herself around. I'm being very honest with the organizers of the show. Ekwapim Polo should not host a show of this caliber. Come on, this is Eastern Music Awards. Eastern Music Awards. I don't know what the organizers went through by choosing Ekwapim Polo as the red carpet host. Later, she found herself on the stage as the co-host of the main show, and I think that's the only problem I can point on now. But the rest of the show was a massive show. Trust me, from performance to awards, and some of the presenting awards, most of them little issues. But other way, we're going to speak to Yes Lord Khalid, the aftermath of Eastern Music Awards. I think I'm the picture anymore.
Yeah. Satana mini, na mini ha.
So now so many hours.
There bonus side.
Bonus side. That's a bonus so many. So many
Eastern region.
Okay.
And I'm after Ashanti region. Yeah. Getting to Northern region. Say move up.
Me say what chale one night club bi na there.
Me no say me no adwuma won say e bi e bo ha ne aba ha.
Hello.
Sane be.
Adwuma di betutu kwan ne.
Onum quick one no your friend say my sister, Dorcas, you we no way no. Special me if me am ho entrekese. Me say uti. Nyango ponjia ne pa na say. And then so the bibia ni a me catch no uti me a wonti say me de kwabana cost be ba ho. And bibia ni a on to 25
be ba ho.
Yeah.
Charlie Bibia Woko.
Oh, Bibia Woko,
Kwabena.
That's a fin of feel star.
Me say gig now with jail. Each one be hours 2,000.
Now what the I want where jail the not for? What the big this thing? What I say?
No, me say me show that Hanuma. I don't charge much.
Wait, why you that? How me I'm picturing your friend say Eastern Music Awards, and I say Eastern Awards, I'm picturing the big time to be looking at Ghana Music Awards some time to come. Why they say where maybe a benya like all the regions, like serious one like that. There may be the best of them, can go on the national distance. What they say.
Yeah, you see, seventh. I mean, this is the 7th music award, and Charlie, me, I was there.
Yeah.
I was there. So
when him say don't say na maybe I'm wanting to me nya kwan, but now on na me take it one way from your from
now
your page.
I met so many big people at the red carpet. Even the PRO for Charterhouse was there.
Oh wow.
Mr. Robert Clark. I met him at the red carpet. We had 1 or 2 this thing. I mean, people were there. Yeah, big names were there. And this being the 7th edition
Okay.
Because previously, now they will go on so because there were 1 or 2 things we are not there. But this time around, the only problem is what I just said. I mean, Ekrapim Polo influence, it didn't move me. Trust me, it didn't move me at all. Because red carpet host guy, the GH Pocky guy did a massive job. Not who crying here, Ekrapim Polo. But when she came, you know how she speaks, and how she carries herself around and all of that. When she came, I don't have any issues with her. But with what I saw, is what I'm saying. Then Nyoma B, I mean, I didn't like her on the red carpet. So I thought, oh, okay, wear red carpet, so that's all over. Until auditorium inside, I saw her on stage as well. I was like, ha, these people won't mess up my day. Yeah. But anyways, I mean, it was a great show, a massive show.
Right.
Yes, Lord Calibedi who come on. Later. So Shaba Prince won the Gospel Art of the Year.
Wow. You see, you see before then, we know the economic choice and can
vote.
Last time we can be actually vote in a vote, but I can't say I'm birthday. And indeed, truly, like yes, we had a couple of awards about
Gospel Art of the Year. I think for 4 consecutive years or something, or 3, 4, 3. Yeah, Mbako. 4. Yeah. Okay, so 4 years. Shaba Prince AJ Gospel Art of the Year. And Boy T.
Yeah.
I think what T was the rapper of the year.
Wow.
Or Honor or Call or GWA, he went outside the auditorium to the red carpet, did a short video. Charlie, you see the video?
No, I don't see the video.
Oh, yes, some short video. It trend self. Oh, yes, some short video where they throw jab, give Kontakra. Say Kontakra no gets best rapper. And you know, I did for 3 years. And you Kofi Zogborogbo.
But the boy too, he be good.
Boy
T be good.
Boy T, make I show you some video. Yet me you found to Facebook. It's in your free. But let me show you some video. I think I sent to Abuaji. Maza. Boy no. The way I appeared as a rapper. Like he understands the rap game, the culture.
Yeah.
See what he brought on stage.
Charlie.
Charlie Hadiano. Boy. Halfway, you now backstage. Me, I was there when this girl came. Yeah, tell Calypso, Charlie. This video there, you do a must and give me. Because who hear me? You see, these are some of the things we call events. Most definitely you're going to see these things. And she wasn't the only person dressed this way. Things I saw that day.
Okay, that one na obi kasa one from anyum na yesiko food your flowers afa no mahuni and say o chechim sa. Na then I mean you come
Masa Kofodia flowers. I will certainly go back.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
And if that's the case, the only me na once me was here. Mati Kofodia flowers Kofodia. Na me nim say and flowers ni bi so baby. Okọ tro abono ho na. Flowers ni bi gu ho pa. O ma shede duadua fefe.
Ben kasa fo no.
Hey.
Ben kasa.
Ben ko Charlie. O ma dua am flowers ni de o we fe. Efe papa. Efe kama.
It's a good one.
Who say o tugu na say hey. Me ma o de o da.
Anyway, so we're about to have a conversation, but you're about starting off Snabdi Kankan. Today we have one gospel arts in the house. Yes, she has been doing very well, and I think I was saying the spotlight and so. So she has this event she has been doing for the past 5 years. Wow, make us 3 years, 5 years. So she has this event for the past 5 years of an acoustic fest. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about Ohima Sewa. You're about to know her. She's a very good songstress. Maybe I won't call the program that. Maybe I've been to. Is it Pennell? And I'm saying
Pennell Praise.
Yes, Senao. I was there. I saw you ministering. And last year too. About salvation. I saw you ministering as well. I was like, wow. No, there are people. Someone by someone Kasado Honko. So I went looking for her. Say I want to bring her on my show. Because show.
Yeah.
Me am no. Because when we saw Yadi.
Don't silence what Yadi say. Who's will be Yadi now?
Yeah, me the Yadi there. I'll come looking for you. So I went looking for her, and Mesa come and say, "Oh, him I want you to be on my show today. Now, young Kasa about your acoustic first. You've been doing this for 5 years. Yendi Hong Komo, of first edition, then I inspire, then a mao, South Vim, say, ye BBC.
Let me say previously, na my program Setchum and Sakra na me be introduced acoustic. But no na me enye me ankasa me events me ba na a church na me wono. And they do year bia me organize our program no. Ti go to a time na me hu say ade na me ya ekọ. Se ne obi ayi program open e basa na me say se ne e se me ankasa so me introduce me dia yearly no ebema me followers nso ani age ti e ma me switch from church program na me introduce acoustic fest no ti acoustic fest ne by say me fans no won mo pese o mutie me music na say me nyum to no o mutumi den e follow me da bia se na be obi a enye se oba ko share program oni program bia obe meet you nti no na e se me so me bibia omude ebe kai na edu ho nipa no so ayeden aba no mo abebo no
nti no every year we are on the 16th so by not now nti every year we are on 17th December and I say date necessary
but roughly no man ka say third week in December
okay now you share this say there are so many people almost share program as almost share event as say and channel mo jai ni je jambe mu bu someone out there will say na sika unya crowd na ofan share business ufan say but then what was why ya of first edition when yasa abemubu ni bi nkofo an criticize nkofo am can send bi ebema abemubu
the first edition in the enipa buy but sika sem no senka mi di ekira enka program mi nye bi because wo hwe amount am spend na wo sika egu bonima na to me say nyamdwuma ni nye easy say ade no wote ase wote nyamdwuma na ase a e kabo e kambo say woto aso lepemu no awade be hye no nyam
sponsorship chrome ha and they be kaninya because with obi nipa yenyenim so no na oye the biggest annual gospel event which is in Shaba Prince always struggle with sponsorship when you need come last week when you need come last week we need say pictures no but he didn't come and I was telling him say bro this next year dear if you take money was saying I'm say masa Jessica you share sponsorship a commerce I offer and I want your sponsorship for your program
me the sponsorship in the majai
o ha hu bi nkra ko kwa unya
ko bi kwa with the 30 Ghana shilling
say
30 cedis
any sponsorship we support
wajidin we o scout 30 cedis
wow
obenantia anti me hwe na me say emwame
wow
ti mejai
ala mo I mean let there be or kind of who say what the artist way ba what the lighting instrumentalists ubetria church ubetria we mo sa breakdown of your budget
me no I say since me starting program there me obi a me rush me steady ade but me call sponsorship me need to form who say odan ha no to see ye events kese na plan say ye bi ebe no obi betumi organize church program ko be call sponsor
me bibia wa sorry dem
nti amade bia de kope na asade na fono de bia obi program I just the sponsor ba obi kan bi share me say no dan ha obi a o program pe na omo de letter be gu me office obi bre kwa me hu de menye
check is on our cancel because obi wa we wa sorry dem anka sponsor fa ho be yeah because wo instruments no other lights bibia ho that but o still na o kope nti e ba na sa ema nu hu say o do ho ahye adwuma we mu kra na
yes I no abemabu me the letter ne party because we type letter we sana ba ku bi kwa dey say 2021 me the tons of fire omo enshira Akan Onyankopon ne doba na ayade a enkofo ani je wom ho mbeba me se me sane abronsan ya me sane sponsor nti me tese me kona me ba nti me ka che mo se rade se adwuma ono afle me a emfa woni ni pakese obebo e bia ankra no omo kra support me a na last year me hu sa chese obi wo ho no mo se o hima me de bebo no kra boa me sense me type letter na ma force and maybe na me 19 na ya me.
Why am I? Again, the actually say sponsorship was it on how home. So how do you make just sponsor yourself and I say how do you put all these things together?
Say be a year no say be a acoustic this year no. Me plan be a sound. Me five be a sound in here. Right say light say light way say. Nti no me seek be obi omo coming on me committee na be am bisa this year then now the best support na be obeka so sound me famu half. Be a ways beka say light me famu half. Me church home we YouTube have me training on for songs and we do say diane semone say you see a meche me drinks the nkwala na ya de say
wow
omo di nyina ba na ye de aye program nti me de me hu say no na bia true that no emle pem ne me twen urade me say me kwa fa urade pejam me sure say one day me share me destiny help obe pejam ministry no.
Amen. Because me so me observation my who say kromano gospel program obrepa
ba ko brain na smart so obre no omo ya de sin secular
I mean some that I'm try organize omo programs near there, but I have one problem with you guys. And obi oba bia me catch no makache Shaba Prince makache Samikisi makache a lot of you guys I don't free show because looking at your investment things I'm going to share my project at the end of the day over share flyer no so no a free no rate I didn't think that free show
oh no I think so money music to say gospel no and your money na omope and obeka say na program papa be na wo ya we bet asimo we be gina bonte obeka no inshiraban program papa be no ya o maye nuenwa o jiska nipa asimo obeka ne bebu abem na wan hwe ni so program ko forma e bia adofo kakra ni penifo mo te ade na wo ye na sene no boys no ma mi tueska because no oba obesa often ko bu on to be obesa through the program we are pi and say we invite penimu anasa so for meta wachi a na say program be wi na say we ni hwe wo.
You see, I don't know any problem now. Based on what you just said, will be a free gator. The boys will come and dance without onto offering. It is a Jessica and remember her because so bad myself here was on fast. Asaka can have better. It is one background so I can cry about the come might be on the day. You be appreciate it. You see, 90 Americans and say, Shaba Prince last event you're here. Though supporters kakra buy, but I know how much he spent on sound alone. They can't show you'll be shocked. And I ask myself, hey, men can say at the intina or be trying to be as a program Papa Ben and me. The Shaba Prince program is the best in this region. The whole of Eastern region, gospel artists be any program. I just say Shaba Prince pay. And he said, wow, who could have this best program? And I said, also in gate fee. Obi often on social say because I mean gate fee. That's one thing the old man say you must be answer sana. Ebeka, why you programming for 5 years? So one fear say and Jessica, Ebeka, was why 10 years. Now Jessica, oh, Phoba Shanasika with their common, a dozen since the car, Wonya, a dear free. Recently, we are from the city mid country.
Yeah.
The program number here, I was the MC, I was there. And I was telling the organizer, say, yo, my Adam Meniaji. Because, sir, lane when they be in Kruma. Because Obia like movie to bring together a lot of youths. ABBA IMFA. So yeah, twice so yes, Ebeka. I spoke to Kofi Samoa some years back. Okache me say only problem say Ombeba be movie premiere but the problem is Ombeba na. Afena me who the Ahenkan. Because conference hall 2,000 capacity. Yeah, the Kofi Samoa movie crime ba ha no ma. Ombeba yes, Lord Caleb spoke to Obian Ponsan, the comedian. You perceive a program. The question again is Ombeba na. Yen Yaya Madnaka. But if you see a Jessica, the narrative will change.
Onim say, let me chip in this. Also, Kai say, I think say blogger or non citizen. Possible no because of Kobinfa, I'm fast aquadium. Yeah. Let me catch him say, hey, Sakwade will never step here. Or that how say you need more money now when you forget it.
Free show no.
More per free show no too much.
Organizers need be brain account. Me blame you more because So I call program so. Nyako ponya adoma Sunday. Echina. Ena ekoso. One eba.
Inshaba Prince eba. Ohima stand so eba.
Another powerful minister of God oh.
See
Very good pa. Last year they were blessed papa. This year they sure say oba it. More fire.
I think also need the end this year.
14th January. Next year.
Next year more. Okay. Inti wo de no me hu minister Ike bi also.
Mr. Ike.
Ono so okroma.
Pacha.
Ona mi hia no da.
Ena
Ishaba pepra. Almost wa haya.
Ono mostly na wa chance no sawa.
Okay. Inti this year no there na special apart from the our year dida.
This year no because say anniversary nti no. E de nyama we bra be hihye mu. Enije no ebedoso ayeye no beye mo kasa bibri ana say bibi e be delay program no enye bibri sa e be nyama short amount say na bibi timi appoint nti expect say oba no be che because last year ye ponsa na 11 ebo nti say utimi ba ntama I think say this year ministers na share that enough nti say utimi ba ntama e bitimi ko appoint na ina etumi
again e free
e
fan ekoso
Supreme Apostolic Faith International Church. CMB Cocoa Shed Nature.
Entrigues I found CMB
no him.
Entrigues grande one part
Cocoa Shed
by bus stop.
Bus stop say who free a year I be a mob now.
I'm friend team market no.
I saw na share team market for Nintemo.
On say Cocoa Shed na yetu baako we say Nechi pe on say bridge na bubu na de ko on say aso bi ho ma share glasses.
Yeah.
Oh okay. Ohana. Okay. Nyame ya mo chan trick is upo be ko.
Oh yeah. Me trouble homo den aforce.
Okwa so le che. Oh. Ohima fa number bia na obi tie na opese o de kakra bi support wa. Comments no be fenya. And our friends no yeah I mean your festive season mu. Kofo bebe here for program. And they charge you we be for be a charge though because nyame adwuma no an ye didi hu ne ade ti for number ni tuja
my number is 0542 654214 0542 65 42 410
right nyakopon eya adoma machina ye sha setan be
5 p.m.
Yeah, shall red carpet woman near the idea.
Was
down. Red carpet the photography the young there. Baby Jessica ban on bad. Hey, down.
Free.
Next year the best son your ma we yesu di mu.
Amen.
Yes, next year there. Wow be show program as no. We any free ah. Wow lie. But they can nya. You say you start with say 10 cities to cry. You fan chance here. 15 cities yan fan chance ye won ma na ofi yendru PSA estamo ye be tehila concert free the amount afeni ye chance ye into the most supporting ye pa chow sponsors corporate order ye ba mo chan ye pa mo chow ba 30 cities there the sponsor show 30 cities na ne rig obesha cry say un put say won share say the natural mi ni wunya natural nko na ya anu so ya say work up ya say work up tinyambo cha mpato so fun penifo be na eba
Apostle Emmanuel Fori Flourish Life Chapel ono no be my word of exhortation or Tima Market Apostle who are the in the church na mayen no just as of bebre na omoba mo better program nichi
yeah that's me buza question but me buza za question no
pacho buza
me buza church no use car
pacho dey
ya mo yeze maso for no
onim ti o he I don't know you na say
o dey tell buza za no yeah program bi o so for no e direct ya mo obi a nipa ne nche ne ekotwa sika
kai
ya kwaya ne se betwa half payment o se nya hwe ya fambra ya wie ya osi ya konso esa ade de aka na asole pa omo je yen
oh say omo to glass ba na me ref so minim say ya no mo ref say odema kwa na mo mfa makwa no atie free
aso
teaching ni mo a
because bibia wo dem o de ya wie anka mo se mo my light bill crack
e wie last year wanje me wie na mom light
no and one by way charge you
software no or can kind of trust them.
Money dimbium.
Apostle Bafo Ewa,
Apostle Bafo Ewa. Only man said, as of no day, a one. Yard.
So, all that's right down free. I see David. All that's right down the
I say,
Yanko Punshano. Oh, him I say,
but only come passion, my cousin show him.
Okay.
It's about time I saw Muhuni say, she said, baby, we are snare do no, or the Marquano as a new hobby, a paper. Because be any one more, she see a opera untrieska. Even in Shiracrano, in Shirano, so I own him myself on all the 200 bar, which that's to sing or the 10 city, but I own him. I answer into what the Marquano, I say a free hole. Say our Bible said no more for the Dimino, or the for Shem Combat. This is how many Dimias Majo. Ain't winning Mestro. And so when he say, what do much a day and go upon the amount ha any as all this survive? Into for business aspects in the home. It's a show business. So Okunin Panacot now. Ebia Kobana Costi Ventures. CEO Kobana me pacho, Bessa me program into Bewami. Sakeke. No. Manipani whom one or day one so Sikano yef in the business in Faso Benya also. So I'm on who are on fam one emma. Ebina a Sonny Badu. Or the quarto doctor a friend is saying Angela any more where Miana and then I know Casacas. What I say, many panu okay program, any passing is in Eba. Any passing or do any part was in the dinner into bar or product no, you be on advert to her. Maybe a best showcase be or a month for Fabra Betonbio. Samani who was okay, fine him day. Sikai Emma Messi me qua, Minya say or so what I say. And I said from now going, you know, oh, petting be now modern the business aspect of it too. So what I said because I know kind of offer a sounds. So now correct sounds are or to no my most of the times I not church sounds and I said that yet quality as to for programs. So what I say. Back of fast sounds, back of MC, back of no bet you omoka. Ukunyeska on you my here now ye. Intima oh pest sponsorship now far. Proposal we call. Okay, say. We are being say. So what I say? Send a bear, and then I say, dear, or not trying to budget to beat me up or beboa. So what I say, but I want to know Star Trasana, and you're okay. Win scanner econo, a quiet hammer, detected in Falco Socket. What do I say? The Cobana, now advice I can't remind you in your barn, no. Tiana, mash horns, why? Mamma be behind you free, sir. Free dear. I dare you free Biana, Bonuma Bata home.
I go all one person which I'm not person domasi.
And then every day, Michia, Ahenkan phone, Madofin, won't team. Or no more boami, me crew. Adadia almost spend a woman when I'm on sham. Will be BRA or invest our ministry moon. Radi umbi quaiman. Na mesa kai ni pebia say. When you say a mere woman, I am reborn. Tibia we be an no ashin ye. No one who say assassin or and check na yeswaba. The air quadia dances say if you are sent a bannery answer. And see and fire if you are seen with no and mouth a chim and the catchery.
Maybe you too. Sasa or my good because I remember you man on tea. I never want myself. I say, yeah. Yeah, you know now one can say you tea. Uncle Ochambwa me kobi you. Jumaya kakamenye na obo makutie. And they. Mesi de mesi socket na ejuma unzo de yakoso. O de twaso.
Najuma ojuma no so ya no.
Mesi me de no.
There be o de no ba say o bo me de o come de na she.
So interesting me good but say the part o ha o say o my two for say
o if 20 year by if to ahun ti he no ya na me penny say on me penny say nka utu nipa ne fo no okay say ni say ne say na say ne be ya unye say ni bi
okay
na ba ni say na
interesting
yes
jai 9 club ko na bra sorry nyankopon be siesie o amen
amen
eya na dey ma hwi ni asase so abro nyankopon
di kwabena enyina me mfa nwura trosem
no
enyina me mfa nwura trosem
no me be say trose achede bia ni wa so sen
erade
eno kre but when so can trosem na revelation ho no o chiro say near heaven hosity the feel obi anko hoda but the feel sa feel no e bi ni aso dem sa feel no the one
no ohima ya to aso na we yejide che o de be call afa wasese ha
enti yenhwe sene be ya ye niam aye bia ne betutu yakwa yi na Kristo ba ya anya yiraba
right
because we as na ni e dia owura nti no yenhwe ya bra boyi na
right
enche na Kristo ba
right ye da say nyankopon ya adoma e chena nso ya bebe na fe
Man, I've been fighting.
ya be support ni adia bibi ni nso me pa try my so nti okay
So nobody can buy.
right so
If I'm too sensitive, intimate, catching the ego.
that was Ohima Sawa
And they guessing someone to me
nyankopon ya adoma e chena
all along, all of them be jealous.
acoustic first
So what's make me never
baso e free me pa jo onje capre
put me down, still I'm breaking.
e free yenko support e boys mo kwa anya hwe tensi di bishop botom nti e ba say yentu ofre na che say da preacher munjai pepe no
Let your angels cover me.
ube hu boys be shela da mushu ba be sa but
Every night, no tell.
on twa hwe
I'm on the top and I keep on winning.
Yeah.
Higher we go, highest we go there.
right so I said and then your couple of interviews they can't say Ohima Sawa de ne free o
Push to the urge.
so Vicento
Smell my blessings that
so be din come on na fe
my spirit is broken. Somebody
a proper news here on 93.3 of
proud of you. Don't you let nobody lie to you. Jehovah and blessings go carry you anywhere you go. The power go follow you. When I was losing the battle, you told me to keep on. And then you gave me your shoulder to lean on.
Let your angels cover me every day, cover me every night, no tell no one else. I'm on the top and I keep on winning. Higher we go, highest we go there.
They counted me out, but I came even harder. You peer me FM, but I've been screaming louder. I made all this magic like abracadabra. Nyagana fire me, but still I'm a baba. Can't trust a person who sell out for dollar. Me value cost show like a vintage Impala. Will be on my downfall, cause I know a lot of you niggas be haters and we grab all this power. You can just stay in your feelings. Me, I just break all the ceilings. I see all you people like miserable Siemens. Wasting my time just to fight all these demons. Idols go tend to your rivals.
right so 93.3 of I'm sure saying there were 3 interviews one with Ohima Sawa one with Vicento the last one with organizers of Odan Youth Festival.
Me fake, killing this beat like a fucking insane, bitch. Come and get it. We did hustle for the money, government and doing shit, nigga.
Vicento, what am to say?
Ana me ho ye pa.
Bibi ahihye ni ade a.
Bibi aka ma pa.
Na artist na say ana onye rapper bi.
Me rapper ngaza. Rapper ngaza.
Charlie also rapper ngaza when day. Okay. Also rapper ngaza. So how many years have you been doing music?
Oh, so far no, make us officially no make us 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Then I motivated this journey.
Me who no say talent na me wo. And me want that energy now me call microphone so I meet me ABB. So I felt like say me friend no song ka me juma.
Wow. Which aside what you do as a rapper, who you be before?
Yeah. I'm a journalist.
Okay.
Oh, Oboba
FM. Yeah, because Nippon didn't come and capture me. Say that also. Right. So Vicento, 2 years our music industry, you know. How many songs do you have to credit now?
For now, only there 2.
2 songs.
Yeah.
2 songs in 2 years.
Maybe but other ones maybe so feature more.
Oh, okay. Into one projects that you have just 2 songs.
Sure.
Now, recording, you know, Obi-Wan say as an independent. I don't know if you are an independent artist, and I say, independent artist. What are some of the struggles you face through? Say, recording when you're there.
One year financially aspect, no, and one day I am more than kakra, but so yeah juma de attach ne de ana make us a pressure ne shada ni was as sen coming ya she na come de you know. So kakra no I know say be
me hunko for omo ka say be an independent artist is good than being on a label because say farmer bibia wow there. I mean, you have your power to choose who you want to work with, the road managers and all of that. If you must back say, okay, having a label, take some cost of living, teach you your recording cost and all of that, your outfit, things you wear on stage and your man. So be an independent artist. Uko stage your costume near the one alpha hoka. Into the comparing be on a label because on call label so that but maybe I won't more label so. So comparing these two, being on a label and being an independent artist, which one do you think is the best?
Me can say on the label no best than say on kwan or bibia because say okan ho a bia na why bibia who say what they are right, but on no be who a different way. Na wa direct wa fa e bi kwa fa and also be bo akra mo akọ ni mo but say wo nko de a enko
baby right
wo laka and to me pie but only like sad there a be chance
chama sometimes we also say it depends on the engineer you work with obi ho no ma unim say o good vibe no but engineer na the edge man maybe na ni energy no and wo dey no enshada nhia. I don't know the engineers you've been working with and someone know my Juma pen. What's the energy like if you guys are in the studio?
Oh cool. Bibia ko kama say na me missy pen and advice on the mama or music no so me father can home and ye Juma e work mama fe no. I'm cool with it.
Engineers now know my Juma. Two. Yeah. Two engineers. Na energy ni open.
Cool.
And when it comes to features or collaborations, saying our why so far?
I think one. Yeah.
And see, I don't know. I know your whole projects.
There be no nyame project.
I know your obi projects. All right. Edi panel we see before obi be feature on the project no. Now who be what do you think the person saw in you until I do to the project also?
One rap no me rap na a good man. But see me rap CBA or feel say yeah met me in nipa we I enjoy. And two no so now we the same group so hono me can say me manager na dey me man so on family so and to so na track no.
Me ba now we a group.
Yeah, when I was in JSS yeah.
Okay. Now we a group.
SHS rather. Yeah.
SHS. Now we a group. But how now you had a manager then?
Something like that. Sana me mekano.
Okay, intino.
But it was not on a paper. Verbal contract.
Okay. It's right after Ohono and I'll be a solo artist. Then I initiate sa move.
But so far as I may feel I'm fan to Kwabia Madi, I'm okay with it. Me say me kwa kochi bibia bana as I cover some for bibia there.
Because baby now also ewo she say being in a group kind of hectic we feel it because Chroman there you wait my pointy group 2 pair almost must survive over the years. That is how 2Bs and Keche.
Yeah.
Omo Kenya woman article woman for being solo projects near there. Omo breaking your heart recently. Ya boda da in PM Royan take is from Central. Luther. Ya boda da Huta. Yeah, Huta Kobe and Huta Free. Omo breaking your heart recently. You know, okay, also one person will be calling me, person will be calling. Come person me busa. There, I shada a group a breaky. And yeah, Obi Wan Mabe who's a started off with nice relationship. I mean, these guys are cool. I feel later Obi say they are having issues, and I say, but I say, me verse was one man near the to make call when I am there.
Me only say sometimes na baku to say na o sika na baku only say me your best. I say, and to know say they are like ebi kwa na obi ama no obi na kasa say we in good. And you feel. But me dey say na acquire say management na nkasa no. It was not helping.
Okay.
And immediately feel.
Okay. Kobe, me pese o my man ni bibi na fe yen hwa de before we go on to his tracks no. Yeah, my freestyle be Now, who Vicento is, ladies and gentlemen. So Vicento is about to spit fire. Yeah.
Vicento. Yeah. Sometimes the way they hear me, they make other feel be baller. Yeah. Open that one officer, okay, come cause it's someone. Me know what time to they be came out to me. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. 247 I meet me book with your rap. Watching boom with the punch, be mouth down. No pen to imagine I wanna drink Chris Brown. Rapper is a piece and a Tom Brown. Me get to know who your big dome. Alright. Yeah. See this rap between them all day. Mafia when no make me fake. Killing this beat like a fucking insane. Come and get the dick. You dey hustle for the money. Government and doing shit. Nigga, gang with my homies. Rolling to the end, nigga. I don't wanna copy anyone's rap, so don't come steal my lines. Oh, bestie, show me anthem, so imagine. Me no me mine. Boss mode, nah, nigga, you want my type. Yeah, in rap. Nigga, you ain't my type, tier. Me dear before nearby just because I rap moving the ball up, but me then caress so they come conquer. So bro, stay away from the yard. I'm on my way to the skies, yeah. Cause I'm the man. I know, you know, we all know. Okay, I know that I'm here one pill. Men so me that I know men pill in that so church me on your today. But the wing me like you got me pe. Come here, no. Wanna papa in your boys, yes, you need a giska now you him. I told no dripping, shut the niche, one pema, what you pet. Yeah, me gang me tonight faker. You know when I'm no way. Me gang me tonight faker. You know when buy a big package, you know I do so dodo. Yeah, ni ba na follow. At one of I'm in po. Bram you below. Yeah, Almighty Vicento.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Take his own wood.
No, Charlie, the letter part. Charlie, know me now.
Oh, wow, it's Vicento.
Wow.
Vicento. Charlie, you be good.
Thank you.
Yeah, you'll be good. Right, so Yentie, what's the title of that song?
First one here to boss mode.
Mm-hmm.
And a second
And
one here
I think the who beds. Is it
two best?
two beds?
Yeah, no mom, you know.
And the mom, you know.
Yeah.
Is there a story behind the song? Two beds, no.
The American says our love.
It's about love.
Yeah.
Although, okay.
Come
Come
on.
Yentie two beds.
Come on, put the account on.
Oh, there. Anything that has to do with Odo, I wash my hands.
Kai.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something, baby girl, you amazing. I'm in love with your body. Let me tell you something, baby girl, you amazing. I'm in love with your body. I swear to God, you amazing, yeah. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you, baby. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you, baby. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with my baby. True fan, I'm not faking. She's too dope and too sexy. Big ass, sweet poo. So give me the chance, make I love you more. Tryna be a better man on board. If I don't get money, she always support. Run out, be life, I change the story. Baby girl, I love is mad. Let me be your children's dad. I go give you everlasting love. Fuck them, I go love you, dad. Tell them you hate the job point, so be a better to be home, me gunshot, yeah. Baby, let me be your love rock. Let me moans you for my isolation. Ganging and banging, all swag me checking the dressing. Only my dear, was how I'm twerking. Baby, get out of love when I'm fucking. Feeling the vibe that you giving to me. Nobody go forgive me like you do. Meet me for groovies, now make sure the feast. I'm about what you want, you know I'm a G. You know, yeah, it's the best. We're doing this for life. My boss me bet you a dog, come on. Baby, in the I go cry. Let me tell you something, baby girl, you amazing. I'm in love with your body. Let me tell you something, baby girl, you amazing. I'm in love with your body. I swear to God, you amazing, yeah. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you, baby. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you, baby. I'm in love with you.
Baby girl, your love is deep. That's what I can never leave. Need you
back in my life, cause your love is evergreen. Give me chance one more time, begging you on my knees. Back now to my senses, who'll be there when you need. Lady one, love and Hencho, so I stay low on my grind till you come back, sipping lean, make me stay low. Cinderella, let me tell you, all my life I really love you. Mary Jane, I'm Peter Parker. I've been with so many girls, but I swear you're number one. Ups and downs, you're my special one. Love and tragedies, you're still my number one. Yeah. My life, such a fun, truly fun to one. Me know it's the best. Doing this for life.
Charlie, what do you think?
Charlie. It is serious, so.
What? Music?
No, on our year. All the food, like the food trial, I say will be a cross. Feature will be also.
Yeah, me feature will be also, but I'm here cross and I first rap.
Okay.
So the second one I made back with you know the Kasiebo the second.
Okay.
Or Siani Siatre.
Okay.
And I'm in here.
Okay. Nice. You see, Charlie, the track will be dope. It'll be dope. The track.
See, there's a message here.
Uh-huh.
Only nursing or watching modern government hospital. Your friend Abena Philippa. Or say tell Vicento to see me after the show.
I said me our Akan, so obins your machine. Because anyway me tight will be ano tight.
Abena Philippa.
Me tight. Boy you are tight space man. Tight one ano.
Okay, Abena Philippa. Aringa.
Ahenkan Bako is jealous. Bako is jealous. Oh, like in fact, Charlie, the tune be mad. Yeah, the tune be mad. On so now. On pushy things will go happen.
Yeah, Charlie, how the recording you know?
Little bit.
Yeah. Oh, in
Siatre, Siani.
Wow.
Does it mean so free Siani na?
There be me a mangasim boy, but make I say I came a chance na metina or co school here. Yeah, but a Juma no radio Juma no dem ko Siatre testimony.
Okay.
Wow. Charlie, you know with why you? Yeah, why you know pa 2 beds. Wow. Although some so Charlie Cross, Charlie Sabobi mami. Yeah.
Cross inside it.
Yeah, cross.
Like there's a lot of harmony.
Yeah, me feeling a little dark there. I don't know. Me feeling a little dark. I don't know if you follow him or.
Yeah, follow him. But one thing I want to do when we say, yeah, me guy na me feature no. Yeni ana yetinase. So or the worst neighbor.
Yeah, because I felt a little dark here too.
I'm in love with your body.
You see?
Throw you something. Baby girl, you're amazing. I'm in love with your body.
And on him, I say like you soon key so.
Yeah.
So with the kind of we know say, but man here obi nima say unim na obeka say be a outside track.
Yeah. That's a nice song.
Yeah, that's an outside track.
Yeah. Mami Jai was the more I play, the more Philippa go test.
You see, Philippa go hurt what person.
Anyway, Charlie, it's kind of Christmas. You can make Easter. Christmas in. I mean, you go play shows and things. If you be now social media, your handles and all of that.
Yeah, social media, social media, baby, on Sabeka, Facebook, Vicento, YouTube also Vicento. And at Instagram, you have Vicento Music, TikTok, Vicento, everywhere.
Right. It's the on the music stores, you know.
Platform Nina.
Yeah. We should go on Apple Music, Spotify, Yako streaming. You could do on my Vicento.
Facebook crowd, Sabeka.
Vicento.
Yeah.
Two beds.
Yeah.
And
Minimum no when I'm there to.
Our horses here.
Kwabena.
Yes.
You say na me be I won't say obi stream back me here be we are. Near Bonnie Dia or send a message. On one answer who's streaming. And I know so how.
Was true.
It was true as the Apple Store.
I said, Nipper, I say, woman for support to.
That will be support to be answered about
many problem. I am always saying so.
Now, you woman says, no, Kwabena, say, Bia, my ba. Maybe I be 1 or 2 times over G. Why are there? And no, doesn't mean say, and mammy Sebi, mammy gay.
Charlie, check the live for me. Is it on Facebook? I'm not seeing it on Facebook. YouTube more. Oh, okay.
So kwabra na me kan dey me so
there be na se Philip over YouTube na be share video na who Vicento a o ya wenga
oh David onya wenga masa
Vicento yeah go for now there's only label bia only management bia you are doing everything on your own
but my team is supporting me.
Okay.
Levels man, Madam Justina, Umunia or Boba FM.
Okay.
And supporting me.
Okay. Right. Ebefa.
And nipa ba console supporting me and day in day out today. My father.
Okay.
Oh
papa.
Mr. Fossen.
Okay. Because
Oni.
No not here.
Oh.
Because uni messenger me nyan from Joshua do Timothy. Catch me say man bi ne ba ye nyom. Nti no opese Pobi.
Yeah.
Enye awofo bebre na yo mo pese mo mba eye ne yo mo ye. Then na oba ye convince wa odi na chi bebi obeko bia.
Well, me unse usano me chacheni. So sometimes some observe about final here at least the talent ya no so ewo.
Yeah.
So ni nyina no na me hwe no. So I came to know say that is his talent. Yeah, nti onyi ya no so decide so obeko ho no I have to support him.
Papa for you be the here.
Serious.
Yeah. Because bebre na fight no to say kubolo for you. I even there so we church ni. Na wati ase say music no so sisi no enye kubolo for kwa na these are intellectuals. I mean a lot of the boys are in school now. Bebre na kuta mu degree the likes of Strongman Amrado.
Manifest because that's why you're lawyer me boy.
Yeah.
A+ you also a politician.
Yeah, it's daddy. Nyamisha. So there you are ejeni madaroma you are no say we are even ready to support your kid to be any everything come. Yeah, that's a right.
No was I'm the ejeni so ase. You go say din come na ayejuma.
Sure.
Nyamisha.
So Vicento, what last words na sorry so.
Me da was be na me sada Akan my chance for Zunia for the support of the mama no and Oboba FM. In fact, a band music support apart from my father. You almost supported by levels man baby ono one church and baby and mean to me ko baby nja I was saying that answer.
Sure. Yes, you woman baby just let us know.
Okay.
All right.
So Vicente, my miss are you rapping or down or rapping in Coco now?
For now I will say the Eastern.
You just say Eastern.
Coco down.
The guy is smart.
Let me tell you something.
Philip I say I will be his sugar mommy. Charlie Solico. Solico.
Swear to God, you amazing, yeah.
Solico. Bye.
Love with you, baby. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you, baby. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with my baby. Too fat, I'm not faking. She's too dope but too sexy. Big ass, sweet poo. So give me the chance, make her love you more. Tryna be a better man on board. If I don't get money, she always support. Right now you be left to change the story. Baby, gotta love is mad. Let me be your children's dad. I go give you everlasting love. Damn, I go love you, dad. Tell them we hate the job, so be about them to be home, make gun short, yeah. Baby, let me be your love, bro. Let me move, see you from us to the list, show. Gangin' and banging, no swag to me, checking the dressing. Only my dear, you was sound, I'm tracking. Baby, get only love when I'm fucking. Feeling the vibe that you giving to me. Nobody go forgive me like you do. Almighty Vicento. Let me tell you something, baby girl, you're amazing. I'm in love with your body. Let me tell you something, baby girl, you're amazing. I'm in love with your body. I swear to God, you're amazing, yeah. I'm in love.
Yeah. We the do people see
where is Shabba Prince ni KT? Yeah, KT there.
Shabba Prince.
Hey, Mr. Shabba Prince. E come out for ni KT. Yeah, Yeah, negro.
To be frank, Norwegian and so the quick coupons I'm eating means through. Or Brian Chinese fan, yeah, ninja, sent here, near. But I can't swear. Check. Moment to 2 point line.
Me too.
Take a some biscuit, I got my recess pass. I'm a my friend, sitting up here. And two coming once and pa, me, I never mind you. One mommy don't know, now me mom gong. It's too concert to say, gong. I was broke, now me a young and dumb. Now poverty is wrong. Charlie,
Hey, yeah, what I have fed. Yeah, man, I have fed. Charlie KT by TKT.
Right from bed when I wake up. One thing we are not the wait for. And it's somebody many better what doesn't need so some pen why it was tough. Time and energy in this world. If you hard work and your big work, with the generation infinite is a referee. Press one day you go kick off. Be a shit. Sabi
here grandma pet.
Sabi here grandma pet. Baba keka mo na one dance. I want to your body and fan test. So people do a bra. Come soon the wasso. You were in a boko. Fred in a hustle. Koswana kosso. Hey. Be hot. Hey. Nana obi be cross wa bra baba choco. Fenia de no kosso. Force na double hustle. Some far.
I swear with you I shall suffer. Ah, get you at
Come KT be massive guy because
sure.
I had opportunity to be there now or recording the verse way. Now I heard the energy the guy they put on the mic. Charlie, hey.
Oh, KT, I don't way. AJ, Minnesota now he's a sports guy here.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, yeah. AJ say, according to you no bomb pie, I'll catch you at the rade. A command with KT the young music again. Kids of other youth festival. My man's discounts is here. You didn't come on our way. Yeah, other youth festival also 1 or 2 be a cost on the idea because there are rumors in town. Got 4 can you move penny idea, but then they say the organizers are here to clear the air with 1 or 2 issues and not a cost on the idea. This can't talk about.
Boko bra.
We are Boko.
Boko na so.
Yanko pandom. You share radio, so I think it's your first time.
First time.
We are going here.
Yeah, going bro.
That's it. Other youth festival. How many years ni?
This is the 6th edition. 6 years.
She's here. She's here because the time I remember I think it was last 2 years. Now we end by
last 2 years.
Yeah, so we by last 2 years and last year me was last year
the ambassador I said.
Okay, no we know. No, and my about two times.
They know by last year before and then COVID the no be.
Yeah, my about 2 times. My about 2 times. This year so Ebaso. Yending come because come on what time you actually say in Sebasu, Sembasu. I mean that's all what say. Yen clear no.
Oh, the chance of the festival, Basso, I feel quite a massive change. Well, ya check was our promotion. I didn't know the and Namobia was a 2 near the no. Nay 2 nations or my sure. The companies in Oqua, but your match or man
for sponsorship on
the when you answer to me yet.
Sure.
To never say a 2 boys a mom. That will not be where you put my quema. I didn't know maybe a go aquema. I feel ready and so. Ebaso.
Right, you know, activities from day 1 to the last day, you say.
Yeah, any weekly program. I feel let me say they were normal calling into ya teso crab, but yes, I will week in man.
Okay.
I 23rd clean up exercise. Prepare down mountain so town baby, prepare baby.
23rd in a week.
And a week, yeah, baby, be a prepare old town baby, and I could my affair because I'm out for ba.
Yeah, sure.
I'm out for about the Kumban and you're the 20 say, my what's it? The ready can yes, I know man on 25th, no, at the football gala. I shall so as to telephone so. I just say, our teams, keep fit teams, you know, no Makaza or Mobana, yes, I do.
How many teams?
You about 8 teams.
8 teams. Okay, and say a partial.
Partial. You are about now, okay. 1 day activity. Now 26, you know, about Aquaba pool party. I feel Obiaba.
Okay.
25th, 24th, for my job, you see a Kojali pool. No beyond hot.
Sure.
See, she won't see a hotel.
Okay.
You bought poop and beverages. Belacqua. You know, Macabo, my pool party change. Drink be a free or that day. When you are Remun Quadia,
Urema gate fee
near 20 cities.
Oh,
Now that benum drink be bread or pe bia. O ko beti ma joko ba e be sama.
E be ma obi.
You go be bread. E go be bread diet festival.
Me den kwala ne be bi.
E go be bread. E go be bread. Eno ye 26. 26 na bought 12 for na anti amwa unya be. One man tem kwa
unya.
Area 12.
I say ye dware a.
Ye dware sa. Ko ti say wa o be bra o be sorry na just say. Wa ko ti 30 year for no. Na the culture display was there. A youth festival idea was here who am amamre amane ne no maybe I was there or da man ye wo be share more public park funeral ground one mo on here culture display no anwen sem kete the person who be about culture no oba be hu that day no on the first no ya ne dey massa
ene ne
agro
na ngasa no
gidi afu dey ni adanko na ye ni adanko show boy
okay
show boy ne ya tease afu na ye ne na kasa ono na obeze yehu na che Jensen sem prison sem ne adoba na zo de na ho be kire okro mufo ti show boy ne ye fa artist ba yehu show boy no say ye diem aba ti o say ye fa afiwe nya de na show boy ti ni show boy na ye show no afiwe o town ye on the first no right ti na program line up no
and on the first maybe you know we was street just na there na say
we was street in so
with stage lighting
bibia agugu akwama just back street in so I feel we ne there eh massive
right interference no yema artist e wo kroma akwanya na mo so be
artist be play ego so KT also Kwadofino Joe Park or that is bia or person perform bia
because nature because the last time me buy no backstage na artist be complain he say my be giant the other na me call stage ka 2 minutes na mo de ma me na there this time mo no be din komo na obi ehun say oba you are performing 2 songs now ko
one say I ask more times an artist na ya mo my big problem because before show ni best start ya announcement be radio bi ayeka ya announcement say wa person performing no assume si no taking no no bi bia anti kone ko hu no na ne arrange DJ na obebo nyum ni nyina o ka omun fi show ni koso no
afi no dey driver ba
ti do no aba no ye be hwe no ansa na wa head e bia na okura wo so but one fa nyum amba ye be ma onipa na ba be performing
sure
ti sometimes aya omuntie the organizers no ye den e kana show no ntimi enye kra be hwe ko no pa na e betima ye sound check ni ade ba ofro obi amba ana obi so on ma wo frɛ no no se wa performing tem dodo eye kakra da bi at least the okona nipa ba kokra na wo aye de obetima ye na nipa ba ko no fa wonko
show be na no omo this accord sorry Stonewall starts here no is it the Afro Nation
I think so
yeah Sako you Stone Boy and it started before I think Adina or didn't say okay someone started one
no don obi mlansa na dabi yanya ne sa okwado ho no ye kire de obetima ye no ye kire no na show no ntimi ti amu delay enom this time no yes omo be ba no omo ne be show no my performance time ne so aso
right me pa choma me bra kakra nkan this year no what are some of the feeling energy bia e ba be kan afiwe de ho a for the past 5 years in ye hu bi da
medical chief for I'm say each year bia ne friends ni program ya dey ba
sure
I'm say previous ones na year no every year bia no ya upgrade no ya koye nim in terms of this year there no e be more massive than the previous ones no I'm expecting the audience and say spectators no say on be experience a better show than previously packaging here different from the ones the other ones now yeah organizing
yeah share sound and so on that day obi ho no ma be say sound na mboya me energy no emba ma me performing are we good when we talk about sound you be okay say you ba we experiencing the best of sounds ever
I'm say public no will testify say stage at the ban we come with good sounds yeah sabi determined business na yayache and the correct sounds are the yemfa sounds bi amba ya mfa say enye feature sounds no ye craft bi atema and the ba sound masters and the omuba in terms of your sound checks na there then the superb idea people should expect better program than ever before
and again preparations no so bi ho no ma senior discounted canon opentem it's in a way we not enumerate no outcome na be o menim time a sound masters no ba be do time a mobile set it upstate time a sound check ni ade boni o didn't come on say okay show no is on the 1st so by 31st anopa there na ya share sound check as na say ya share nyoma say I don't know how preparation it is
a stage friends build up no ana it take time you know say ya stage na mbantema mama preparation so I some way you know be back a day before your program na 31st no
okay
so na kan so na ba o be numbra ade be che na say ya bo bibia wie nti anopa no ba ko stay ya no street no so na stage no elders will hold that this time around no we be make sure say 31st no stage na ba am ya set it up bibia before the D-Day no
okay
tell say bibia is on point
okay my last question I answer original I send last year no na yen nim say eba and to see bibi be boom no noise making here this time around my due diligence who say okay there are certain things that in through na yen twen man ka say akabe 2 days ne dru yes oh obi kra say my yen obi kra say nim my sanyo man nyina
me say obe sure last year no ya started preparation from bia May, June, July, and I started with Bia until me. You call Sabi a crony eura. Oh, until the Yakobia continue, you know, your question said Nana, senior person a and some of Mamma and your clients and I had yeah, until before a baby be on say a home penny for be or Mamma and your client. Okay, for now, tell me because a ne or don't continue your corner. I'm only leading to Omahine, or Sergeant for doctor, or say from Pomanso. Ya kono ho ano so de ni nhira den ata echi say bibi oba be support ntin say o man mu nankasa eta echi o mo hu the good thing na e was add no ma daachi no e be ba kro no ntin o mo de support mo de support nyina e de amai ntin everything bibi aye okay we are good to go
right after yes sorry so your last voice yeah kama opeso ka bibi
okay I discount kasa no also beside the question be concerning the artist performance on the stage. I think a year before the last one, before then there was incident like that. Some of us we complained until almost say around 3 thereabout it was DJ Labista. No one who say wow yeah artist be a coho. Myself and other guys we went. I'm saying experience probably. If anything this time they will do it for us. Okay. Yeah, they call you, but it got to an end that now a track and a crack call around 3 o'clock. No, myself I couldn't perform. Other guys said when you call they couldn't perform. But later on we were seeing people they just came, they were climbing from the backstage to perform. So may catch that discount say that was one of the things that we saw some time ago. And to say almost say this time around on and according to Sanobe na munya ne sama send a beer every mad night IFA because we been to me bad da na later won't me can perform me cry
but me try no me sure say artists be able performing on the first be a unim say o kan exactly but this time there was a year there was a week we be I mean you won't sit and wait for the last day.
No let me cannot tell say one say even if they have a day I'll bet me don't you okay they said the day we sent the thing but we couldn't perform because people they were allowing others to perform whilst we have obey the rules. Let me say like the rules as it is. And I'm say in this time around. Okay.
So maybe I'm say I'm in charge of sir, you know. Now most of the times you catch up some more time say sad time we and as other way what person performing for where you tracks and now number of tracks our person we you know for bra. Ndi be ya omo famba o. That very day na ye we no. Once obi dey aba no kuta the pen drive say be stage no so na e ba ko test we and bi wa onwum no kwa na corrupt o do ko she we no e be bo na this can be say obi wa the first year da she first come first serve e be friend pa no e be bo ni di no ni pa no no ni ho e say skip o na e mo obi be she ho because e time na e di adwuma no so what I say nti say ya skip no wa banalita no me na me ba fa no be for say ebitu me ma perform me ono baka say bia metri mo de ana say bia but sabe isheshe na edi adwuma no nti a kire say saa time for we bra na so wan fam ba blame ne de won't me fam blame organizers in because we are the
minimum sorry ba
yeah, okay.
Minimum senior ahano e bia artist performance etie but Easter we ko ye show we ko na ye near tent for artists it you know a drew so and drew so ote tent no it is a drew so na waba because obi nim say about one na me na me performing obi out 30 minutes 130 me na me ba enti no ote tent no na ote wo say drew so ote ho no minim say bia we mu ya na sa
provide tent so you are aware you provide tent you mo mu nyina atro but obi wo ha e be boni din no e be hwe tent no
okay
so what I say ntino unu wa ye enforce because artists no be breed also be breed ever e be fifi ada we nto bi wo na oba wo ya ma o chance no down boy ya ma o chance say be performance we nu a obi ba ya be ma na sa chance no obi anye obi akteku obi anye obi adama say bia maji obi a we sika na say ma perform de ye nya sa de no ho so ntino se na be ka no se wo fe se wo be perform ya wo de we yi ba ye bo no atnase ye bo din a na you boy born do say me ba say na we kan no me person me perform last me da me confess me hu so what I say ntina open crowd so we na do pull crowd na ntina say ya bo di na say one ba we ba be she ho and I ba later na be press me we chiro me bia because my busy so what I say ntina so mo hwe sa de no yi artist na we ha no sebi bebre ne so I hantan e wo mu sebe omundu ba bia
but yeah
so what I say okokan na akoye say me I will say it as it is because sebe me meji usika
sure
say me perform me no aka say rapper ji usika and I say we are more be a chance because say be for all you know no obi wo crowd no ma or producer or whatever until no perform no obet ma sport too o fry actually you are good me person me sign one answer bisa and then opportunity big time opportunity so I don't know see hu na dey say bia okay oda wa hate e bia osimesi na ne dey ntin officer wa arrival nya sa omo ye no crowd bebre na hambo omo ba bebre ne ba na say me na me come perform wo e first way stage so na me na me kwa kra na me na me say na say fine I oda so what I say ntin no ba when you go to Rome
what they do
you know yeah no you person promote ni na you person promote ya ho say na be ya dachi no e bia the likes of KT ni sa we no bet my den afema ba you know yeah ejuma ye na
Ralph adeba kwa me suggest on per what I've seen no anyway no I think say bia yeah be boa sometimes and this let me say anomalies ni to bia obi nyu wode be gina stage ni so say enum we de intimesre say days na mode be genum no emra bia 2 days before na mo amontana say okay we
and then you be free
and yen so ne so ne hu say ordinary we are producing quality say na be ya in case say be fa video coverage bibina say the to internet ni so we can get the
even for sponsorship
what I say
sure
we the mesre say mo ma time mo be gina ne time ne so na say nipa no ye top party say hwan kra na say wa ma that day no ni ya scrutinizing nyom na so oba stage echi na oba that day the day of event na mamu mi ya say na be ya be puti the team on the standard
you have a point because even this is tema recently event you see there are a lot of tema artists but they no be na any man ba stage because all the nyom ne ba na you see the quality of the song you say unye serious for this business because music there is serious business it won't mean ko dem will be am say yeah ma big platform. So I think so you have a point. Yes, I bet.
Yeah, super.
But yeah, for your last weeks now.
And the other na can feel a youth festival no basso na the Esron ko pool party na different way all together this time. The time no do be a moment. The after na share promote the amount for be hu no ma bebre. Sure. Ya dey ba. So do mo tamu chuku afi we dey na so the can say basso ni asle media na so ommo aye go ya late na promotion ntimi enko
me so mesro said they be a woman number there from yeah we break it next Friday from Monday to Friday they are not pay be a kami maybe better mid morning some kwan there one time I'm be fit okay